Meditation is a mental practice that aims to achieve a state of relaxation and increased focus by turning attention inward. Practiced for thousands of years, meditation has roots in various traditions and cultures, including Indian, Chinese, and Japanese. Recently, meditation has become a popular topic in scientific research, which has revealed its many psychological and physical benefits for both general individuals and athletes. Studies have shown that meditation has profound positive effects on mental and physical health. Some scientifically supported benefits include 1. Reducing stress and anxiety. Numerous studies suggest that meditation can reduce stress levels and alleviate symptoms of anxiety. Through regular meditation, individuals can calm their nervous systems and decrease their responses to daily stress. 2. Enhancing focus and attention. Meditation improves the ability to maintain focus for extended periods. A Harvard study found that meditation can alter the brain's gray matter and improve attention and focus abilities. 3. Boosting emotional health. Meditation helps increase positive feelings toward oneself and others, promoting emotional balance and enhancing happiness and life satisfaction. 4. Increasing endurance and motivation for athletes. A Stanford University study indicated that meditation aids athletes in coping with stress and improving both mental and physical performance by enhancing focus and increasing endurance. There are several types of meditation, each with specific goals and effects. 1. Focused meditation involves directing attention to a specific object, such as breathing or body sensations, which helps improve concentration. 2. Loving kindness meditation. Also known as compassion meditation, it aims to develop feelings of love and kindness toward oneself and others, enhancing emotional stability. 3. Body scan meditation focuses on directing attention to different body parts and is effective in reducing muscular tension and managing chronic pain. 4. Mindfulness meditation. One of the most common forms where individuals focus on the present moment without judgment, reducing stress and increasing self-awareness. 5. Movement meditation involves mindful movement such as slow walking or yoga and is beneficial for individuals who find it difficult to sit still for extended periods. For athletes, meditation is a powerful tool for improving performance and enhancing mental resilience. Some key benefits of meditation for athletes include improved focus and decision-making. Meditation enhances attention and reduces distractions, helping athletes maintain focus during critical moments. Emotional balance. Meditation fosters self-confidence and reduces fear of failure, increased endurance, and reduced fatigue. By regulating stress responses, meditation helps athletes endure physical exertion and manage fatigue more effectively. In addition to understanding meditation's benefits and types, establishing a practical meditation routine is essential to achieve these benefits. Choosing a quiet space is important. Select a quiet, comfortable area with moderate lighting to minimize distractions. Wearing comfortable clothing makes it easier to relax during meditation. Consider using a meditation cushion or yoga mat for a comfortable seated position. Calming sounds or nature sounds can also help create a relaxing atmosphere. Meditation postures vary based on personal comfort. Common postures include traditional sitting, where you sit cross-legged on the floor with a straight back to help maintain alertness. Another option is the chair position, sitting on a chair with feet flat on the floor and back straight. Meditation can also be practiced lying down, but beginners should be mindful to stay alert to avoid falling asleep. Focusing on breathing is a fundamental step. Begin with deep breathing, concentrating on the chest and abdomen's movement. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. When thoughts or feelings arise, simply observe them without judgment, then gently return focus to the breath. Beginners can start with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase to 20 to 30 minutes over time. For those who find it challenging to focus, guided meditation can be beneficial. Listening to audio guides from apps like Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer can help beginners follow the meditation steps effectively. Setting a specific time daily for meditation is key. Practicing at a fixed time each day, such as morning or before sleep, can help make it a lasting habit. Starting with shorter sessions and gradually increasing the duration over time is recommended. Journaling or writing down thoughts or feelings after meditation can help track personal progress. When the mind wanders, refocusing on breathing can bring attention back. Counting breaths can help maintain focus, such as counting up to 5 and then restarting. For those who struggle to sit still, mindful walking is an effective alternative. Taking a few minutes to sit quietly and breathe deeply can help restore focus during the workday. Athletes can meditate before training for increased focus or after exercise to calm the mind and body. Meditation before sleep can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. A Harvard University study showed that regular meditation, even for short periods, can enhance brain regions associated with memory, learning, and emotional awareness. Another study published in found that individuals who practiced meditation for 10 minutes daily experienced significant improvements in emotional stability and focus within a few weeks. Meditation is not merely a spiritual practice, but an effective tool for enhancing mental and physical health for both general individuals and athletes. Through practical training, either with guided or self-directed meditation, individuals can integrate meditation into their daily routines, improving their quality of life and resilience in facing life's challenges.